Hello, today I would like to share with you a pattern that is called almond ridges. What you need to know is four types of crochet stitches: slip stitch and half double crochet America, which is half treble UK. So to begin with, I'll do 21 chains. So most of you by now, you should be able to know how to make chains. If you're a beginner and you haven't done chains yet, then maybe if you can follow my previous videos, you'll find a video on how to make chain. But I'm assuming that you all know how to crochet and we can do this pattern easily. So I need 21 stitches, and I'll come back when I've got 21 chain stitches. So now with my 21 chains done, I will do slip stitches, and I'll start by doing it in the second chain, not the first one but the second one. So I need to do 4 of these, and make sure you make them loose because we will need to stitch in between those when we get back. So just 4 of these here and 4 of double crochet, which you yarn over, then you go into half double crochets. This is American half double crochet, but in UK is half treble. All right, so like that. So we need 4 of these. So that's 2, 3, and as you can see, I'm making them loose, and 4. Then I'll revert back to single slip stitches, just slip stitch, just slip stitch, and again I'm doing them very loose. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will do another half double crochet, which is half treble UK. Then I will do another slip stitches, 4 more. These are my last slip stitches. Then I will chain and go back. So now I've chained, I will do a slip stitch in the first chain. So I'll do it in the back, in the front row, which is that row, because when you chain you got a V shape. So I'll be going in here and going slip stitching. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I will do yarn over, half double crochet, just 1 in there, 2. Again, I'm still doing them loose because we don't want this to be too tight. Then we'll do smaller slip stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we'll do another half treble or half double crochet America, half treble UK, and again we do 4 on top of that. So you end up with that shape. Then we do 4 slip stitches at the end. And again, you're just doing in the one loop, front loop. So 3, make sure you don't miss the last one there. Then we do a chain to 10. So now turning, we will change our stitch. While we were doing slip stitch here, we will put half trebles on the slip stitch or half double crochets. So we'll do this yarn over, because that's UK half treble, and we will go in the back loop, which is there, and again so half treble in the back loop. That's number 3, and always in the back loop. Like so. Now we go to there, we will do slip stitches, so 4 on the raised up bit of our stitches from previous rows. 3 and 4. Now we will yarn over, still in the back loop. We will do 3 half trebles, or 4 half trebles, UK. I think I missed one there, or did I not? 1 2 3 4. No, I didn't. So we do that one, but then we slip stitch the next 4. 2 3 4. Then we'll finish with half trebles on the end. Again, we do 4. Then we do a chain, then we turn. Now we will do again on the back loop, we'll be doing half trebles. So 4 half trebles on top of the half treble, but using the back loop again. So 1 2 3 and 4. Then you go slip stitching where we had slip stitch it for going the other direction. So make them loose, just like so. Then we yarn over, and we do half treble UK or half double crochet America. I'm mentioning America stitch and UK because some people might be watching this from America. There's, we do slip stitches there. Okay, and 4. Then now we will do the half treble. Four of them. We do a chain and we will turn. So now you can see our pattern has started to appear. I'll do a few more rows, then I'll show you exactly what it looks like. It's beautiful, and you can use this for blankets or bed throws, or even tops or cardigans. It's a lovely, lovely design. And at the back is also will be also looking similarly. So it's a reversible pattern, but the outside is got more deeper. So it's like opening shells, if you would, and that would be like the back of the shells. But yeah, so I'll come back after doing few more lines, but at this stage we will be repeating all we've done. So 2 rows of the same, then we change. So where we have had half treble, that'll be the slip stitch now, but we do slip stitch, go in that direction, we come back doing slip stitch, then when we change we'll go to the other stitch. So always 2 rows, then change, switch over the where you do the slip stitch and where you do the half treble. So see you in a minute. So I'll do one more row. So I need to do 4 of these half trebles. Last one on there, then slip stitch, slip stitch, like that. We'll do 4 more of these. And 4, chain, and 10.